That comes up quite often, particularly in sale or purchase of a home. The term that we use for that is red tag, or at least that's what the city uses. What that means is they basically cited the property saying it's either not occupiable, or a portion of it needs to be either remodeled or torn down and rebuilt. Just every condition is different, but we deal with that quite often. We can work with what's there, reinforce it, re-detail it, and quite often save the square footage without having to start over. The other kind of red tag that comes up would be if there's like either earthquake damage or a foundation, like it's been undermined or the foundation is cracking. That can be repaired through, we'll provide structural analysis for that, soils bearing pressure, reviews to make sure that that can be fixed.